Do you feel like you don't speak enough Urdu? That you need to know more words? Then stick around. With these lessons, you'll pick up some of the most common words in just a few minutes. Now, this video is a small portion of our learning program. To get the full lessons, translations, and fluency fast study tools, click the link in the description and sign up for your free lifetime account. If you're learning a language on your own, do you know exactly what you need to learn today or what to learn tomorrow? If you're like most solo learners, you don't. And if you don't know your next steps, then you'll forever be hopping around from resource to resource and never make progress. So today we'll talk about how to learn easily by getting your next lessons fed to you one by one. But if you're learning with our system, today you'll discover how to get your next lessons automatically fed to you so that you always know what to do, how to see how close you are to reaching a new learning level, and how to customize your learning so you can focus on areas like speaking, listening, or grammar with something called the dashboard. But first, if you don't yet have access to our language learning system, sign up for a free lifetime account right now. Just click the link in the description to get your free lifetime account. 1. So, what's the dashboard? The dashboard is your home base for learning, and it makes it super easy for you to jump in and start learning the language. It's the first thing you see when you log in. With the dashboard, you can see your current learning pathway, your next lesson in line, your progress, the time you put in, as well as the number of lessons and flashcards you've mastered. And if you're new, you can learn all about our system by clicking on the How to Get Started banner right there on the dashboard. But the most important part about the dashboard is that 2. The dashboard feeds you lessons and assessments automatically so that you always know what to learn next. Think about it. If you were learning in a real class, a teacher would plan out your lessons for you, and you would just have to show up. But if you're learning on your own, no one does that for you. And that's where our dashboard comes in. If you finish lesson number 1, you automatically get the next lesson or assessment in line. It's like learning on autopilot. The dashboard guides you from lesson 1 to 2 to 3, from absolute beginner all the way up to advanced, so you never have to worry about how to learn or what to learn next. It's all done for you. You can also 3. See how close you are to reaching a new level. As you complete lessons, the dashboard tracks your progress along the way. Once you reach 100% on our Level 1 Absolute Beginner pathway, you can now level up to Level 2, and you're ready for our Beginner pathway. But if you're the type of learner that doesn't want to just follow our easy, ready-made pathways, and if you want to customize your learning, well, you can do just that. 4. How to customize your learning with the dashboard. Just click on Browse All Pathways. You'll be taken to our lesson library, where you can sort through pathways based on conversation, culture, grammar, vocabulary, reading, and writing. If you want to focus on speaking, pick a conversation pathway. And if you want to learn about the culture, pick a culture pathway. And then click on Add to Dashboard so that you can study with 2 or more pathways at the same time. So, if you want to learn the language on autopilot with the dashboard and get your lessons fed to you one by one, then sign up for a free lifetime account right now. Just click the link in the description to get your free lifetime account. Remember, here's what you can do to learn all of these words by heart. Drill these words with our spaced repetition flashcards, which will help cement these words into your long-term memory. Save them to the word bank, your personal vocabulary collection, where you can print out your own study sheets, or review the words with our looped vocabulary slideshow, and play it until you know all of the words. So click the link in the description right now and sign up for your free lifetime account to get these lessons and study tools.